In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page 1 of X footers in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheet in your browser. With your spreadsheet loaded, go to the menu at the top and open the File menu. From there, choose Print. This takes you into the Print Preview screen where you control how your sheet will look on paper or in a PDF. On the right side of the Print Preview, find the section labeled Headers and Footers and click it to expand the options. Turn on page numbers by checking the box. This tells Google Sheets to include a page number in your printout. You'll see the preview update to show a number in the footer area. Next, click Edit Custom Fields. This opens the header and footer editor so you can control exactly what appears in each section. You'll see clickable areas for the left, center, and right parts of the header and footer. Click into the bottom right footer area. That's a common placement for page numbers, and it keeps your pages clean and consistent. In that field, you should already see the page number element if you checked page numbers a moment ago. Place your cursor to the left of that number and type the word page followed by a space so it reads naturally when printed. Now add the of X part. After the page number, type a space, then of and a space, and you'll see a number appear to indicate the total page count. If your current print range only fills one page, you'll see 1 in the preview. As your content spans more pages, that number will reflect the full count, giving you the classic page 1 of X format. When you're happy with how it looks, click Confirm to save the custom footer. You'll return to the print preview with your footer applied. Take a quick look at the preview panes to make sure the text reads the way you expect. If anything looks off, you can go back into headers and footers and fine-tune it. A couple of quick tips while you're here. The page count depends on your current print settings like margins, scaling, and selected print range. If the total looks unexpected, adjusting those settings will also update the O of X value. And if you prefer a different placement, you can put the same page 1 of X format in the bottom left or bottom center fields using Edit Custom Fields. That's it. You've added a clear, professional page 1 of X footer to your Google Sheets printout.